Hello everyone. If you saw my earlier video in which I was trying to figure out whether or not my 2700 Honda Accord was actually smoking in the morning, I've concluded that it's actually not smoking but condensation that actually comes out of the tailpipe upon startup. Now I also promised that I would have gone ahead and installed a oil catch can. Seen below, that's directly here where this shiny bit of metal is an OEM PCV valve, which I actually use as a replacement to the OEM PCV valve that came with the car. I changed that in an attempt to reduce the oil burning. I didn't notice any change whatsoever. So I went ahead and thought about the prospects of putting on a oil catch can, which I have now installed. Now, pretty much it was a simple process. I discovered several reviews on YouTube here, which was showing pretty much installation of oil catch cans in various kinds of vehicles, but none on a 2700 Accord. Now, pretty much I found this one on the breather cap, but I didn't put that on. I just kept the bolt, the hole here, the breather section here closed. I didn't put that on to mimic the original system on the car. I just wanted basically to capture the oil or blow by that would be coming from the crankcase. Now, so pretty much I went ahead and I got this 3/8. It's a fuel line, really. Fuel line which fitted perfectly over my OEM PCV valve there, and pretty much it comes up and goes to the in on the oil catch can. And as you can see, well, if you know or if you didn't know, this here is the original piping that went across here through this section down directly to the PCV. So pretty much I've bypassed the direct flow of the blow by into the intake manifold. Just one point to note is that this section was a bit difficult to be fitted onto the valve that came with the oil catch can. So pretty much what I did, I just put a little oil on both ends inside that and on the valve, and it basically went on with relative ease. Now, installing it, finding an ideal location was a challenge, but I found this black thing here. It was mounted on the intake manifold right in this general location. I removed it. There was nothing affixed to it, so just basically removed it, and I got two brackets. They are 2-inch brackets, having two holes, 1 2 on either sides, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and I pretty much just used the lower one, as you can see, and mounted it onto the intake manifold right there, and connected the other one at the end there and to the inside of that, and then I just pretty much bolted one onto the back of the oil catch can. I didn't use one of the openings, and I had to take off the bracket that is mounted on the catch can, removing those two bolts in order to get this on properly, so I could hold the bolt at the back inside there to screw it on properly. So pretty much that was it, and then I just used this tie strap, zip tie, to pretty much help to support this single bolt there. It's pretty firm, and so far so good. Just one point to note is that your hood stance, or not sure what you call this, but the thing that holds up your hood, and just be careful to ensure that when you mount that, it's not too high, because it will touch this. When you start driving, it will vibrate and cause sounds coming from your engine, causing it to feel that it's something else. Now let's go ahead and see what's on the inside. Okay, so I'm pretty much just removing the can here now, so we can have a look. And this is after 265 kilometers thereabout. Wow, look at that. That's pretty much a lot of gunk. Yeah, that's some amount of gunk there. When I looked at it at about 100, it was kind of looking like cooking oil, quite fluid and all. But there you have it, after 260 plus kilometers. My oil catch can is catching some bit of smudge that would otherwise have gone into my intake manifold. Thank you for viewing. Hope this helps someone. 2700 Accord. Bye.